Are your nails really damaged? Brittle, splitting, peeling? Mine were. I was looking for, I guess, a miracle, and I found this in Sally's. I started doing a week by week experiment and then had to disengage from that because I just wasn't seeing the progress. So I did continue on with 6 more weeks of this. Let me show you my results. Kim Townsel here. Welcome to my channel. You're free to like, subscribe, leave a comment below, share this video if appropriate, and I'm going to show you my 12-week experiment with the NailTek Level 4 Strengthener. This is what my nails look like at the beginning of week 5, and the rest of the video is going to show you the progress each week as I progress through the remaining of the 12 weeks of this experiment. If you want to go back and see the details for this product, the package details, the instructions and things like that, please, at the end of the video, go to NailTek Week 1, and I go over all of that. And I'm sorry to say that it didn't work because I was really hoping that it would work. It looks great when I fix my nails and put it on there, but it just has not solved the problem of my weak peeling nails, and I can use a much cheaper clear polish just to get them to look good for a day. Very disappointed in this. I'm going to try something different, but I just want to let you know that this did not solve my extremely bad peeling nails. This is actually Monday at the end of week 5. I just took the week 5 polish off, and I'm not sure I'm seeing a dramatic improvement. I'm going to probably stop the weekly updates, continue to use the NailTek, see if the condition of my nails improve. Then I'll report back on how many weeks it actually took to have some progress. It's week 6, today's Wednesday, and I painted some of this as a base coat in this last night before I went to an awards thing at work, and I was on the massage table this morning and this just chipped off, doing absolutely nothing. Then this chipped off sometime, I don't know when. So I'm going to put a little coat of this back on it while I drive home, and then put some more of the polish on the ends. Week 6. Week 6 of using the NailTek, and I've also been using the Sally Hansen gel. I just took the polish off. I have not filed them or buffed them yet. There's still like extensive peeling and splitting. Here's the other hand. I really don't know if this is ever going to get solved. Am I going to have to live with these nails like this the rest of my life? Week 6. So I'm starting week 7. I did file my nails, and I did put a coat of the NailTek on there, but I did not buff them this time. And I'm going to hold off about putting some polish on there. But as normal, they look a little bit better once I put the NailTek on. But you can see that I have the Sally Hansen up underneath the splits. And there's the other hand. And that one's really bad. Starting week 7. This is the end of week 7. Yesterday I worked in the yard, mowing, weed eating, and then took a bubble bath and just took a shower this morning. I did wear gloves when I was out in the yard doing yard work. But you can see it's still flaking off. They're still splitting and peeling. Oh, end of week 7. I'm about to start week 8. This is the beginning of week 8 with most of the fingernail polish removed, and I just buffed them, put some lotion on. I have not put any product on them. Although I haven't put the nail treatment product on there or nail polish. Beginning of week 8 with the coat of the NailTek on them. It's week 9, Tuesday, 5/22. Using the NailTek. Still have some splits, I think, on every single fingernail. It's week 10 of using the NailTek. Still have splitting on all of them. I think that my pinky finger now is looking a little bit better. That middle one is still pretty split. It peeled off today. And the left hand, I did work out in the yard all day yesterday, but I didn't break any nails because I wore gloves. I don't know, are they getting any better or not? "10 weeks. They always look better once I put the NailTek back on. I just want them to look good with the NailTek off. This is week 11 of the NailTek. It's Sunday night. This is how much polish was left on, or how much is flaked off, and it's still just flaking off where the nails are splitting. This is week 11 after taking the polish off. Still have that damage, the splitting on all 5 fingers on the left hand and on the right. And this is all I've used of the product in 11 weeks, so it'll last a long time. I just hope it would gonna take care of this. At the end of 12 weeks of using the NailTek on this is the level 4, I just did not have good results. This is before I've worked on my cuticles, of course, but I just took the last layer of the NailTek off, and I even quit using fingernail polish on it to see if that was probably getting in the way, and I just don't see that it's improved my nails at all. I'm going to try something different. I'm going to take a product orally to see if that helps. I've been taking the biotin. I wear gloves when I work in the yard. I wear gloves when I wash and condition my hair. But I've got to try something different because this just didn't do the trick for me. This is after dealing with the cuticles and filing them down a little bit. They do look better. And I also put some Nivea lotion on there. They still have the peeling and the flaking. You can see it. Now I don't know whether to keep using this or to stop while I work on the other products. I guess I'm just going to keep I've got to put something on there. But in 12 weeks, it did not fix my nail problems. I'm very disappointed, as I was hoping that the NailTek Level 4 would solve the problems with my nails. I've had splitting and peeling nails before, but never for this long. So I'm on the search for a remedy. Thanks for watching. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment, share the video if appropriate, and until the meantime, I don't know what to say. Healthy nails or clean nails. Bye.